Never believe that I'll stop singing. Now when I see that it's the time and season, from now on, more often I should make songs. For she of whom I sing is so beautiful and so joyful, that it's always fitting that through her I am joyful. And for the beauty where joy grows and advances, I can't help but retell in song her great beauty and her rich worthy merit. For the good I do comes from her and descends. Her beautiful eyes, clear, loving, laughing, and the beauty that in her dwells and is born. Hold my heart so that I don't complain or fret over the foul noise of false, wicked people who always make themselves aware of my joy, from which each one has such grief and such distress. They can't help but scream and shriek from the joy that love sows between us. So envious are they of love and joy. He who wants to be powerful in love can't fail if he understands my good words. Whatever lady he loves without false failing heart, for from a weak heart comes weak suffering, and good omens follow good hope. And he who knows how to choose true good love, if he doesn't pull away and is true toward her, with joy comes joy, and with sorrow terror. Whoever doesn't carry the pain and the burden with good heart doesn't know what he's doing or what true love is. For if it happens that he gets bored and pulls away, in one day he loses more than he gains in 100. And he who serves love straight without turning, with beautiful service and humble appearance, achieves good reward if he waits for it. Which is why I know it's my honor and good if I am toward her faithful, frank, and loving. Lady, my good and my joy move from you, for of nothing else do I sing or converse among people. From goodwill I give myself to you and yield, and if it pleases you, don't let decay the good love that holds us both in joy.